Welcome to Metro's holiday advertising service. There is so much that comes with the service that we had to make a video so you wouldn't miss anything. It can all be accessed on our website, metrocreativeconnection.com. And this video will give you a quick overview of where to find the search books so you can preview the issue, images and generic ad templates in InDesign and Quark formats, My Ad Wizard for fast and easy personalized spec ads, copyright-free editorial features, and the free bonus templated special sections. You'll also find places to go for extra support. The search book is a quick and easy way to see all of the images, cover designs, and all of those ads that you're about to start selling. Make sure you're logged in and then click the search book link in the top left corner. Select the holiday cover or click the holiday tab at the top. Download a PDF for offline viewing or printing, or view it as an online flipbook. You can share the search book with prospective advertisers by copying the URL at the top of the page, then pasting it into an email. Click the edge of the page to flip through the book, or use the previous and next arrows. When you see something you like, you can click the page and it will take you directly to the Creative Library, where you can print a preview, share it, or download the file. If you're ready to jump right into searching our entire database for images and ad ideas and cover designs, you can go right to the Creative Library here. Or from the search menu at the top of the page, you can select Creative Library. Search by Metro file name or by using keywords. Under Search Source, select Images, Spec Ads and Covers, or both depending on what you're looking for. The search will default to showing results in color, so if you want black and white, remember to adjust your color filters. And there are other filters here on the left panel that you can use to further narrow down your search. Hover over an image or an ad thumbnail for options to download, preview, save to your Lightbox or project organizer, and more. For those of you in sales, you can take out personalized spec ads to present to your clients using the My Ad Wizard. And then once the ad sells, you can download a camera-ready PDF. From anywhere on our site, from the search menu, select My Ad Wizard, or click the My Ad Wizard tab if you're already in the site. The wizard is just 3 easy steps. In step 1, choose an existing advertiser from the advertiser pull-down, or click to create a new one. You can upload a logo to include in your ad by clicking Upload Graphic, and then Next. In step 2, you can search by Metro file name or by keywords, and click an ad to select it. And now in step 3, you have a personalized ad. If you want to further customize it, click Customize to open the customization panel where you can see all the options. When you're ready, save your ad to an existing presentation or create a new one. A presentation can include just one ad, or it can include multiple ads to show your client. And then you can share it as a low resolution PDF by email, or you can print it. And when the ad sells, you can download it as a camera-ready PDF with the fonts embedded as a JPEG, or if you want to go back to the original unedited Quark or InDesign package, you can choose production files. It's easy to give your advertiser multiple layout options to choose from by clicking Change Template. This will take you back to step 2, where you can select a different ad. You can view all of the saved presentations by clicking Saved Presentations, or click your company name in the path at the top. Here you can filter by advertiser and sales rep. And just to note that all of the ads in the wizard are single advertiser ads. So if you're looking for multiple advertiser templates, cover designs, or individual images, you'll find all of those in the Creative Library. Your holiday service comes with some copyright-free feature stories that you can find in the Editorial Library. Search by keywords or use the category menu to narrow it down to stories pertaining to the winter holidays, or you can do both. Click the More Options or 3 little lines icon below a thumbnail to view a preview of the story. Mac users can download the package here, But if you're using a PC, it's best to copy the text and paste it into your program so that you don't get all the crazy symbols in it. Then you can scroll down to download the image from the bottom of the page. The stories can be edited and localized as needed, great for native advertising. You'll also find the ready-to-sell templated special sections in the editorial library. Select Templated Print Sections from the Search Source menu, or click the Templated Sections tab along the top. The bonus sections are all marked free with the holiday advertising service, so they're easy to identify. To preview a section, hover over the thumbnail and select View PDF for a low-res PDF that you can print out, or click View e-edition for an online flipbook. Copy the URL and paste it into an email to share it with prospective advertisers. Download an InDesign or Quark Express package from the Hover as well. You can customize the section however you'd like once you have it open in your layout program. We are here to help. Detailed videos for each of these features are available in our video tutorial library. Go to our support menu and select Video Tutorials. You'll find a whole section devoted to the holiday advertising service. Check out our forum as a way to communicate with us and other customers. Get ideas, share ideas, and ask questions. We love to see your finished products, by the way. If you need any additional help or have any questions, please contact Metro's Client Services team. You can call us at 800-223-1600 or email us at service@metro-email.com.